and you put your hand on me. I'm walk out sometime and I realize it. No man, every walk I walk out, it come like I get more into this putting hand on. So listen, me I tell you the truth, I'm not come pretty up nothing. You put your hand on me, and me ras your back. Yes, me ras your back. Me not go come and say no, me not lick you. Me ras your back and you put your hand on me. You know my mother fam. Me walk out several times, bro. My mother alone could have called me a friend by myself. Me not nobody to turn to, you know that. You know this. Nobody to turn to but you. And you use that over my head several times. Several times. Oh, remember, come on. Oh, pack up your things. Pack up your things. Go on, go. When me not have nowhere to go. I did not have a house. I did not have nobody to call and say, yo, me come in your yard. And you tell me several times, pack up your things, pack up your things. And every time I pack up my things, I'm going to cut somewhere. This is you. Come and work things out. We can work this out. And even the second time, the first time, and the third time, I got locked up. You constantly, every charge I get, if I'm such a monster, why did you come and drop every charge? Regardless of me telling you on the phone to Tash. Listen, if you want to drop it, you drop it. If you don't want, if I am such a big monster and you want to get rid of it, the second time, the third time you lock me up, I say to you, say, yo, listen, I don't do this no more with you, no. No more, you know. The third time you lock me up and I say to you, I say, listen, I am not doing this no more with you, no. You turn to me and you say, listen, alright, you're not doing no more, I give up a lease. Remember, I'm not in a house for going on. I'm not in a body where I can send you to live with. You tell me, say, I give up a lease. And my mother, I call. I say, mommy, you're not a friend up here where I can stay with till I get on my foot. You have a girl up here, so in a Pensacola. Stranger girl. I'm gonna call her name because she don't want in this. She said, come stay with me. Work for yourself and stay with me. We not grind. We never bring no sex talk into each other. More than this is just a person who just see me and say, you know what? Come. Let me help you, youth. Days and weeks I sleep on that. I come on TikTok. And every single dollar, if I make $5 and somebody asks me if I have money, I say no. Because I save it. I'm going to put all of that in a disc because a disc me the want. When we get this apartment, the first day I call me and say to me, say, oh, you get it? How will sign up that for you? And I turn to you and I say, listen, a God. Mankind is not God. Let God work. That's all I say to you. You say, oh, wish you all the best in there. That's how you said to me. You say, wish me all the best in there. I turn to you and say, yeah man, I go and take my time and figure it out, man. Bro, the team help me. I will put everything together. You mentioned Ash, you mentioned Nella, you mentioned Ray. Them three people are people who support me more than you. Them people are people who believe in me more than you. So what you say? No, you know why now you choose to do this? Because now my name is Dummy, aka Dontae. So you choose to do this now. When you could have do it the first year, the second year, the third year, why you choose to do it now? Because you reach out to me and I said, listen, I don't want to live with you. I am not going to live with you. I will support you from afar. But just for my sake, I am not living back with you. You was just at my house. You were just at my house. If I am such a monster that you are putting on this image that I am an animal and I am this and I am that, what were you doing at my house? Wasn't you scared for your life?